Instagram is something of a catch-all social network, since it does almost everything someone would want out of a social app. Standard posts with photos and videos, 24-hour stories, and even messaging are all included right in the app, making it a great way to keep in touch with your entire friends list online. Of course, Instagram doesn't stop there. Introduced in November 2016 as an update to Stories, Instagram Live has become a great way to broadcast to your fans and followers right from your phone, without having to move to Twitch or YouTube. If you're looking to go live but you aren't sure where to start, you've come to the right guide. Although the feature has become more advanced in the nearly 4 years since its launch, it's still part of Instagram Stories. So to get started, open the camera interface in the app, then select Live from the tabs along the bottom of the screen. If you want to start broadcasting immediately, just hit the shutter button and you can jump into a broadcast. But if it's your first time streaming, it might be smart to get used to the interface and adjust some settings. First, let's explore the UI. At the top of the viewfinder is the number of your followers who are currently active. This will give you a good idea on how many people are likely to tune into your stream. The text icon allows you to give your live stream a title. At the bottom of the screen is the Questions tab, where you can view questions asked by your audience once you're live. Finally, you can change the camera you're using by selecting the camera icon in the bottom right corner, and you can customize your effects by selecting a viewfinder from the list of options. When you're ready to go live, just hit the shutter button, and you'll start broadcasting to your followers. You can view your live videos chat, invite viewers to join your live on feed, and answer questions using the Questions tab we highlighted earlier. Once you've ended your live stream, you can save your video to your camera roll, IGTV, or just delete it from view. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Instagram and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.